Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have an idea to share with you guys. Of course, it's not going to be for everybody, and it may not actually be that great of an idea, but I'm kind of digging it, so I wanted to share it. This is my foraging kit. By now, I'm pretty sure everyone knows the contents or has seen this dude by now. I can't use this thing all the time. For me, garden season, I'm going to use it spring into summer. I'm going to use it, and then, dang, don't throw up, Butch, it's okay. Then the seasons aren't going to work out quite right for me to use it a ton. So I thought, what else can I use this for? And something came up where I needed to see if some things would set off a metal detector. So I spent $15, this guy, with free shipping. This is the brand. It came with a 9-volt battery, says it's waterproof. I don't know if that's true or not. I think I have to hold it down for it to turn on. So this was an idea to keep from buying a security metal detector, and I'm not sure, that's a whole another can of worms or rabbit hole to go down when you get into checking for stuff that works with magnetic fields versus density. That's a whole nother thing, but this checked what I needed to check to see if it would go off. And instead of buying a super expensive paddle one for security, I went with the $15 one, where maybe I could look for stuff in the ground with it. And I know this doesn't cover a ton of space, but I have a big metal detector, and this may just be something for me to just get out and do some walking and see if I can find anything. This old homestead that we live on was built between the 30s and 40s, right in there someplace. Used to be an old two-seater outhouse out here, and it's got a root cellar, and a couple of the big barns are still left. The giant barn's gone now, but there's all kind of strange stuff, including like what we see right here. You can't hardly see them, but see these bulbs? These bulbs are the hurricane flowers. Like, they should start getting ready to come up here before too long. And there's these big patches of them in these square spots, and it's just kind of weird. When they pop up in the big squares, I'll show you. Some people said they thought it may have been a grave site at one point, but I haven't found any headstones out here. I did find a piece of a headstone under the house that they were using to jack up the floor. Oops. But I just took that one out of there. We don't know what's out here, so this would be fun to dig around with. And for $15, it's worth a shot anyway. When you get it, it comes with like a cool little sheath and some clips and like a stretchy lanyard. I guess so you clip it to you and you can pull it out and stretch the lanyard, you know, and you're not dropping it or anything. This super bright orange has a light on it, but I would like to think that you really wouldn't lose it if you drop it. But I just put a reflective paracord lanyard on there. And I think, I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to look around somehow and I'll figure out how I can put this guy. I may remove this dude and just put this guy on the side maybe, or something. I'll figure it out. I may can put some of those hitchhikers here and put this on the outside of it and it can rock and roll like that maybe, and see. I don't know. I'm going to have to dig out my metal detectors and see if those guys even work. But 15 bucks, I think this thing is worth the $15. Like I said, I had to do some testing with it and it satisfied my quest for some knowledge, but I think it's a relatively inexpensive piece that can be used for some fun anyway. Check them out. Maybe a alternate use for your foraging tool. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Later.